If you're experiencing any issue from My OneApp from Safaricom, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot this app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So you might be experiencing issues such as your app stops suddenly, that is, it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, or it can't open. Then if this is one of the problems you are encountering, then let me show you how you can fix this. Also, if you can't log into your app, then you can follow these steps. Now to get started, we need to access the app info page, and you can simply do this by visiting through settings. Alternatively, you can just long press on your app and you should see app info here. Depending on your smartphone, you might be missing this app info. However, you should see a settings gear next to it or the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access My OneApp page. To troubleshoot this app, first we need to clear the app data. So if I go to storage, you will see here a breakdown of data on this app, and of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are small files that My OneApp by Safaricom collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. So to fix this, tap on clear data down below and then choose the last option, clear cache, like that, and confirm by OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been cleared. Then restart your smartphone and go ahead, open your app, and My OneApp by Safaricom should be working at this point. Should this not work, then you need to clear all the data and see if this fixes your problem. But in some cases, if this does not fix your problem, then we need to check for any update for this app, either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and I'll go to Play Store, find out if we have an update, and update your app to the latest version. By updating My OneApp to the latest version, you will fix any issues that might be associated with the older version, and also get a version that is currently being supported. However, in some cases, you might even do all this and still find that your app still crashes each and every time you try to open it. If that's the case, then you need to uninstall the app completely and then install it afresh. So once that is done, now you should have a version of the app that is free from bugs. But if you're trying to open your app and you can't even log in, then it means you might be connected to Wi-Fi, and in most cases that does not support this app, and for that you'll need to turn off your Wi-Fi. Like for my case, I'm on Wi-Fi, and that's why I can't proceed from here. So if you are experiencing this, then you need to turn off your Wi-Fi. You can see I'm connected to Wi-Fi. You will need to use your current mobile data for you to be able to log in. So that's how you can fix any issues related to My OneApp by Safaricom. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.